Do you want a visible lift, tightening, and glow in just 3 minutes a day without breaking the bank? I only did one side, and I'm showing you before and after right now. Especially when I'm smiling, you can definitely see how relaxed my wrinkles are from the side that I actually did the treatment. And they're having their holiday sale now, so you can save 40% off when you use my code Darcy40, and this is the best time to get the best deals. Hi everyone, this is Darcy. Today I'm going to talk about Laduora Lumeo Skin Lift 4D Current. This device is actually quite impressive because it combines multiple technologies into one device, an easy 3-minute treatment, and actually is pretty affordable compared to other devices that can get you amazing results. In this video, I'm going to talk about all the 6 modes, the technology, how to get the best results, also give you a tutorial. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. And if you want to jump anywhere in this video, please make sure to check on timestamps below. This device combines multiple technologies into one 3-minute treatment that is super easy to use. The Lumeo is actually quite powerful because it combines multiple technologies into each of the treatments. It has red light therapy at 630 nanometers, helps with redness, fine lines, and helps to brighten your skin. Also has near-infrared light at 850 nanometers, which helps deeply penetrate the light in your skin for firming and elasticity. It has a 4D current infusion microcurrent, meaning that it has 4 different wavelengths of microcurrent to address different things, because not all microcurrent are the same, and the waveform of microcurrent address different issues, and this one has 4 different microcurrent waveform to address not just lifting, but firming and tightening and smoothing. The microamps on this device range from 75 to 675 microamps. Which is actually really strong microcurrent, but you don't really feel it. It's really comfortable, and you have different modes to use from to address different things. So make sure you watch the tutorial that I'm going to go over all the modes so you know which one works best for your needs. It also has vibration massage, so it makes it really relaxing. And when you combine massage with microcurrent, you really get even more powerful muscle release and lifting, because microcurrent addresses the muscle, but the massage relaxes the muscle, so the microcurrent is even more effective. It also has electroinfusion technology, electroporation, with 836% absorption of your skincare, which is amazing because it means you can get the most absorption from the skincare you already have. It also comes with the 8 peptide activating serum, and you can see is very well loved. I'm almost done with it. I love this serum because it has amazing ingredients, a lot of peptides to really firm and lift your face. The serum itself is a treatment. This is my second bottle because I actually use the serum with other devices as well because I love it so much, and you do not have to wash it off. So it's a great conductive gel for any microcurrent devices, but it works amazing with the Lumeo because it pushes all the ingredients even deeper to your skin, and it comes with the Lumeo kit. A peptide complex serum has amazing ingredients, which is a patented mix of peptides, helps to improve firmness and elasticity to visibly lift and tighten your skin. It has niacinamide to help brighten dark spots. It has hyaluronic acid to help plump your skin, and also has adenoside. It helps to smooth out fine lines or wrinkles and even relax crow's feet and forehead lines. And when you use it with the Lumeo, you get all these ingredients pushed to your skin by 836%, and that's why you get amazing results. It has clinical proven results even after one use. Increases skin permeability by 836% in one use, boosts skin radius by 23% after one use, smooth skin by 9.2% immediately after the first use, improves skin elasticity by 27% in 4 weeks. If you continue use, you're going to see skin texture smooth out, wrinkles and fine lines smooth out, even crow's feet and forehead lines smooth out. To test these claims, I actually did the Lumeo treatment on only one side of my face, the side of my face that I treated one time with the Lumeo, have more relaxed wrinkles, have a more lifted look, and this is immediately results after one treatment only. And now I'm going to talk about each of the modes so you know which mode to use for your skin needs. The Lumeo has 6 levels, and each level is actually a different mode using different technologies, so I'm going to go over all the modes so you know which of the modes works best for your needs. Level 1 is the glow mode. It uses red light at 630 nanometers. It uses pure light therapy to boost glow and fight early signs of aging. This is the one to use if you want a fresh, radiant skin with minimal intensity. Level 2, gentle lift mode. It uses red light at 630 nanometers plus microcurrent. If you are new to microcurrent, this is a good mode to start. It gives that lifted feeling without being intense. Level 3, boost mode. It uses red light at 630 nanometers plus the 4 current infusion. The purpose is to ramp up toning, boost absorption, and you're going to see noticeable firming. It opens up the skin channels for better absorption, while giving skin a refreshed glow. Level 4, Skin Renewal Mode. Uses red light at 630 nanometers plus infrared at 850 nanometers plus the 4D current infusion. This is a go-to for texture and more visible correction. You can see immediate lift even with just a few passes on this mode. Level 5, Advanced Lift Mode. It uses red light at 630 nanometers plus infrared light at 850 nanometers plus the 4D current infusion. It is best for deep lift and sculpting. If you want serious sculpting, this is it. And it's a great mode to, again, lift. If you want to do an extra lift, you can hold it. The pulsating massage mode really helps to depuff. So if you're having puffy eyes, you can put it right here on your cheeks and you will feel the pulsating. And as you put it to the side, it will help to drain. Level 6 is the Trinity mode. It is the strongest level, and you also have the pulsating massage. It uses red light at 630 nanometers plus infrared light at 850 nanometers plus 4D current infusion. It is a full spectral transformation, is your full service facial in one session. It lifts, it firms, it smooths, it brightens your whole face and neck treatment. If you're interested on the Lumeo, I do have a coupon code, and I'll leave that in the description box below with my affiliate links. And I also have reviewed other Laduora products that I still love, and I'll leave the link on the description box below of the playlist so you can see my other reviews because all the devices are also on sale, and this is the best time to get the best deals. So make sure to check on the description box below. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!